decision making. And next statement. So in this I have told you that how you will do, how you will if a statement, what is the use of if statement, on that day I have told you. Okay, now today I will tell you if else statement. Okay, statement. Okay, in this statement, we will, what we will use. First of all, if I will talk about in only in single if statement only, I have told you, अगर हम सिर्फ plain if statement की बात करें, then I have told you that if, then condition. In the last class I have told regarding this, print true. So in this statement only one condition, one statement, okay, will execute, or multiple statement also, but it is number of all the number of statement will be in the true condition. Now if in if else condition, we will study how you will judge the statements are true or false. What happen if the statement is true? Agar statement true, if condition में if statement true, then what will happen? If a statement is false, then what will happen? Okay, for that purpose we will use else. Okay, we will use else statement. Okay, so how you will use else statement, let's see. First of all, I will tell you simple a graph. I will tell you start flowchart. Let's see flowchart first. We'll take input A comma B. Now I have given A is, it's bit bigger, if A is greater than B. अब ये this is the decision box. Now what, अगर हमारा if the condition will true, then what happen? If condition will no, then what happen? Suppose that I have told, I have print over here A is greater, and here I have print B is greater. Okay, now I will stop. If I will stop over here like this, so then what you will do, first of all, for that statement here, start program, then integer, any integer you can input a b variables, if a is greater than b. now अब यहाँ पे हमने क्या आपको समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे हमने ये स्टेटमेंट लिखा है a इज ग्रेटर देन b, तो ये हमने क्या किया है कि फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट में डाल दिया है, और यहाँ पे हमने यस पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट डाल दिया है, तो ये प्रोसेस रॉन्ग है. पहले क्या कंडीशन होनी चाहिए कि जो फर्स्ट वेरिएबल होता है, फॉर दैट कंडीशन विल बी ट्रू, मीन्स दिस कंडीशन शुड बी यस एंड दिस कंडीशन शुड बी नो. मैंने गलत इसलिए बताया कि आपको एक बार क्लियर हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि यस अगर होगा, इफ ए इज, अगर हमने यहाँ पे लिखा होता बी इज ग्रेटर देन ए, then the condition, it is the first condition, first figure will be correct. B is greater, else A is greater. अगर no है, yes है, then A is greater. अगर no है, then this one is greater. तो it depends the condition which you will input. Now I will write a program also. ठीक है, तो हम इसका अगर इसको एक्सप्लेन करना है, सपोज दैट समवन विल आस्क यू व्हाट इज इफ एल्स कंडीशन, व्हाट यू विल राइट, लेट्स सी, if else statement executes some code if the test expression is true, means it's नॉन ज़ीरो, इसको हम नॉन ज़ीरो ही बोलेंगे, मीन्स फॉल्स नहीं होना चाहिए, एंड सम अदर code if the test expression is false। अगर, अब इसका मतलब समझो, अगर स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होता है तो कोई स्टेटमेंट तो एक्सप्रेशन एग्जीक्यूट होगा, इफ एनी स्टेटमेंट विल बी ट्रू फॉल्स देन वन स्टेटमेंट विल एग्जीक्यूट। ठीक है, तो इस अकॉर्डिंग हम स्टेटमेंट कैसे एग्जीक्यूट होता है, कब एग्जीक्यूट होता है, दैट विल लर्न इन कोड। लेट्स सी, किसी को कुछ नोट करना है? एनीवन वांट टू नोट समथिंग, और आई विल डिलीट। समझ में आई चीज़ या नहीं समझ में आई? कोई तो बोला करो बेटा, देन आई कैन
सर आ गया।
ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सी, now see, how you will write the program. First of all, see the syntax of that. Syntax of if else statements. Okay, now see, if हमने यहाँ पे आई ऐसे बनाया, बट इट शुड बी लाइक, अगर आप कोड करोगे तो आई स्मॉल बनता है, ठीक है, दैट इज ऑल्सो स्मॉल, नो प्रॉब्लम। ओके, कंडीशन, वट एवर कंडीशन यू विल गिव, स्टेटमेंट, here it should be a colon, then else, again colon, the statement। Okay, now if I will see a simple code for this a program, this is the syntax, this is a condition, this is a statement 1 and this is statement 2, whatever statement you want or statements you want, whatever, it's depend upon you। ठीक है, number of multiple statement, it should be indented, means the see I have written over here, after if condition this line I have written over here like this, and then else I have shown you on that day also, and this like this। अभी हम इसका प्रोग्राम करते हैं छोटा सा एक, पहले लिख लेते हैं एक बार, फिर आपको उसमें एग्जाम्पल प्रोग्राम पे दिखाएंगे। एग्जाम्पल में हम देखेंगे a इज इक्वल टू 10 इफ a इज लेस देन 100 कोलन प्रिंट लेस देन 100, एल्स, अब एल्स यहाँ पे आएगा, एल्स प्रिंट मोर देन 100, ठीक है. Now this is the program. Okay, so now see, when you will execute the program, when you will write a program, then you have to remember the punctuation mark. ठीक है, punctuations. ठीक है, by that you will get a proper result. Okay, like this, here also a colon. Okay, then this is the way of writing a program in Python. Okay, तो अब ऐसे ही अगर हम एक प्रोग्राम, आपको क्वेश्चन जैसे हम दें कि विच वन इज़ ग्रेटर, ठीक है, हमने कहा राइट अ प्रोग्राम टू प्रिंट ग्रेटर बिटवीन टू नंबर्स. ओके, तो टू नंबर्स मीन्स हमने कहा ए एक वेरिएबल लिया, बी वेरिएबल लिया, इफ़ कंडीशन लगाई ए इज़ ग्रेटर देन बी. अब क्या हो जाएगा, ए इज़ ग्रेटर एज बी इज़ ग्रेटर. ठीक है, नाउ तो ये एक प्रोसीजर है दैट विल फॉलो. ओके, सो in this procedure, how you will write and in copy, and how you will write in that ideally means soft application, that is very important. ठीक है, when you will write a program, then proper indentation should be there. ठीक है, ये if और इनकी indentation तो सेम रहेगी, but how when you will write here and when you will write here, see, this is the this indentation should be in copy also, and same as in the application when you will write a program. Okay, let's see, it's opening. Okay, it will take time. So just a minute. Now see, this program we have able to see my screen. huh? See, I have taken already a values over here. ठीक है, तो मैं इसी में चेंजेस करूँगा. ठीक है, सी else colon, now see, print b is greater. ठीक है, now see, when I have written this program, now see, same, I have given the value over here, a 20, b 12, a is greater than b, then what is the output. Okay, when I will execute the program, see, enter the value, a is greater. Okay, तो हमने पहले ये स्टेटमेंट लिखा हुआ था. नाउ सपोज दैट आई वांट टू टेक इनपुट फ्रॉम द यूजर एंड देन विल टेक द enter the value. So what you will do, I have already told you, int in the bracket input, within the bracket enter the first value, ठीक है. Then same as with second program, second line, int bracket input enter the second value. In this program, now in this program it is show that it should be for another person. Means अब जो भी अगर हम किसी को प्रोग्राम देते हैं देन एनी वन कैन सी कि हाँ ये प्रोग्राम दिस इज़ फॉर नॉट फॉर मी, इट फॉर एनी वन कैन चेक द वैल्यूज, एनी वन कैन चेक द डिफरेंस. ओके, मीन्स विच वन इज़ ग्रेटर. लाइक अगर हम एक सिंपल सी एप्लीकेशन है कि ये बताएगा कि इट इज़ इक्वल विच वैल्यू इज़ ग्रेटर, ए और बी, between two numbers, greater between two numbers. So how you will check? See, now I'm executing it. See here console window, this is console window. ठीक है. Suppose that I have input 25, second value 65, b is greater. I think now it is understand. ठीक है. So this is the program you have written, and this is the output of the program. Okay, so in this way you can get a proper result. Now suppose that I have I will add c is equal to if c is equal to 15 or anything, you can c is equal to a plus b. Suppose that हमने ये लिया, ठीक है. It's little bit different. Now हमने यहाँ लिखा, sorry, I have written c is greater than 100. Okay, now what I will do, I will write the sum is greater than 100. The sum is smaller than 100. Okay, now I will, if I will execute, enter the value 50, second value 46. The sum is smaller than 100. Okay, to the little bit error. Okay, so in this way you can check the value. ठीक है. ऐसे ही हम लोग छोटे छोटे प्रोग्राम्स और भी कर सकते हैं. जैसे इफ आई विल चेक वेदर द नंबर इज इवन और ऑड. ठीक है. Now what you will do in this case, what you will do, suppose that a number a, एक नंबर हम चेक करेंगे अभी. ठीक है, इसको हम ब्लॉक करते हैं. हैश विल यूज फॉर टू ब्लॉक द वैल्यूज, block the statements. Means this is my statement will not execute now. Means this statement will not execute because I have use over here hash. ठीक है. Now if I will divide n is equal to a modulus 2. Okay, or you can check here also, and then n is equal to 0. ओके, अब हमने यहाँ पे कंडीशन क्या, इसका स्टेटमेंट क्या होगा, जो भी हम वैल्यू a में डालेंगे whatever value a I will input, that should divide first, means n, a divided by 2 means the value, it will check the remainder. Okay, it will check the remainder. I have also told you regarding this key, when you input the value in the statement. Okay, इसको थोड़ा सा एक बार elaborate कर देते हैं या फिर से जो लोग नए होंगे. If I will use here, see on the board, are you able to see? If I will write a is equal to, see here, a is equal to 12, check whether the number is even or odd, और हमने कहा 11, ठीक है, it is a is equal to 11, then if I have divide a by 2, the output will be 1. That means it's not 11 is not completely divisible by 1, so it is odd number. Else अगर I number 12 होता, if I will, this one is 12, then the remainder is 0, that's why it will even number. ये होता है ना? Yes or no? Yes or no? Speak anyone, beta. बोलिए. अनुभव, यश, सैफ, समीक्षा. ओके, ठीक है. नाउ सीन कोडिंग. So I will divide n is equal to 0. अगर n की value, if it is divisible and the value of n will be equal to 0, then it will be even number. It will be even number. Here the number is even. Okay, and here the number is odd. Okay, now see, when you will execute this program, it will ask for value first. Enter the value. I have input, sorry, here I have inputted, see, I have input over here 75. Enter. The number is odd. Now if I want to print, if I want to check whether the number we have input, that is correct, what number I have input, that also I want to see. Now I will tell you the two methods in which first print a, ठीक है, print a. Okay, now I will if I will execute, enter the value 78, the number is even 78. Here I have defined two values, two statements. Now suppose that I want to print the number in front of the statement, then what you will do, we will delete first this statement. What I will do, I will put here comma, then the variable name, the number is even and number is equal to. Okay, same here, I have copied this. odd now, and the number is now. If I will play, see the value first I will input 193. the number is odd and the number is 193. अब देखो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में हमने यहाँ पे स्टेटमेंट वैल्यू हटा दी थी और यहाँ पे नहीं हटाई, तो दो बार प्रिंट हो रहा है 193. इफ आई विल रिमूव दिस स्टेटमेंट ऑल्सो, देन इट विल start working accordingly. Now if I will input the value 189, the number is odd and the number is 189. Again if I will execute and input 800, sorry, 800, the number is even and the number is 800. Now I think this concept is clear. Okay, speak anyone. It is clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt regarding this statements and expressions?
No, sir.
No. Okay, then we will आगे बढ़े आप लोग.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am going to 36. Give you some program. Will tell you the concept of nested if. ठीक है? How? Let's see how I will use nested if. In nested if condition, nested if, what you will do, nested if allow to check for multiple statements, multiple tests. ठीक है? If anyone want to define, anyone asks you, then what you will tell the nested if else statement allows you to check for multiple tests expression and execute different codes for more than 2 conditions. Okay, for more than 2 conditions, 2 conditions से ज़्यादा. यहाँ पे हमने जैसे भी बताया कि एक कंडीशन चेक हो रही थी और 2 स्टेटमेंट से. अब इसका अगर हम एक छोटा सा ग्राफ बनाए, सॉरी फ्लो चार्ट बनाएं, तो हम स्टार्ट से नहीं बनाते हैं, हम बेसिक से बनाते हैं. ठीक है, हमने यहाँ पे कंडीशन लगाई. सपोजर हमने कहा कि ए, बी और सी 3 वैल्यूज आर देयर एंड नाउ आई वांट टू चेक वेदर द विच वन इज ग्रेटर. ठीक है, अभी हमने 2 वैल्यूज का चेक किया था. नाउ इफ ए इज ग्रेटर देन बी एंड बी इज ग्रेटर देन सी, सॉरी, ठीक है, ए ही होगा दोनों में. ए इज ग्रेटर देन बी एंड बी इज ग्रेटर देन, ए इज ऑल्सो ग्रेटर देन सी. It should be yes or it should be No. If it is no, then what is the situation like this? If B is greater than A and B is greater than C also, इस केस में भी आपके पास कंडीशन यस की हो सकती है और नो की हो सकती है. If the condition is yes, then what? And if condition is no, then what? थोड़ा सा बहुत drawing I am not in perfect in drawing actually, so I'm sorry for that. Now it is stop. Here एक बॉक्स रह गया. A is greater. फर्स्ट कंडीशन अगर ट्रू होती है then what A is greater. If condition second is true, then B is greater. And condition is third. If this condition also falls, then C is automatically greater. Understood or not? Means हम multiple conditions पे जब workout करते हैं, then we will use nested if. In this condition, in this decision making statements, we will consider multiple tests and then we'll give the output. Then we will get the output. Now how you will write this statement, how we will do the program on this. Let's see example of the same flow chart. What, how, see. if पहले हम लोग सिंटेक्स समझें. इसका सिंटेक्स क्या होता है? if condition then statement 1 or statements. For here, for if condition, if multiple conditions, we will use L and is within single without space L and if बोलते हैं इसको, ठीक है. अदर लैंग्वेजेस else if बोलते हैं, ठीक है. देन कंडीशन 2, ये कंडीशन 1, स्टेटमेंट 2. Now when the condition is last else, then you can use else. The colon is everywhere after conditions. Statement 2, 3. Okay, so this is the statement 1, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, and the condition will be else if. Now let's do the program for this flowchart. I have supposed that you have taken A comma B comma C. These value already you have taken. I am starting from if. Okay, if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, we will use AND operator over here. ठीक है, मतलब A B से भी बड़ा हो और A C से भी बड़ा हो, then what? Okay, A and sorry गंदा हो गया यहाँ पे. A and A B से भी बड़ा हो means A should greater than B and A should greater than C also. A is greater than B and A is greater than C. Statement means print A is big. Then the code elif A B is greater than C or A and B is also greater than C, print B is greater, B is big. Else print C is automatically greater if both will not satisfy, both condition will not satisfy. Okay, so this is the procedure. Okay, let's do in a program. Okay, so then you will clear more. Okay, now I am removing this. Enter the first value FIRST. इसको हम हटा देते हैं, एक और वेरिएबल लेते हैं, वैल्यू विल टेक C, that is C, sorry, C. Okay, now how I will do, if A is greater than B and A is greater than C also, the number is greater. ठीक, A हो गया. Now elif B is greater than A and B is also greater than C, the number is greater B. Here else the number is greater C. Okay, now let's check. $85, $96, $103. The number is greater 103. Got it? Got it? So in this way you can, if I will execute, dry run this program, first of all this line will execute, value first, enter, then here the value will be entered by 85. Then second line I have not, computer has executed, the value you have entered, that is 96. Third line we have entered and the value will be this 103, and the automatically first condition will not satisfy because A is not greater than both. Second also not satisfy because B is also not greater. Third will automatically set cause it is greater. एक बार हम और भी execute कर लेते हैं एक बार, then you can get a better result. 105, 603, 405. The number is greater, that is 603. I think that is much clear. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we have done these programs, these clear. I think everyone have clear these concepts with practical also. do these programs. I will send you some more program with basic to this is standard till this is standard. Okay, by that you can get how you will do the program. Do these things in a copy also. Okay, by that I can check you are doing something. Okay, clear? Any doubt you can ask.